Remove these 7 things from your house and attract overflowing money instantly. I attracted overflowing wealth after removing these 7 things in my house. Do you know that there are things sitting in your house right now that could be the reason money keeps slipping away from your life? The Bible said in Deuteronomy 7:26, do not bring a detestable thing into your house, or you, like it, will be set apart for destruction. Today, I will show you 7 things you must remove from your home immediately to open the floodgates of wealth, favor, and financial breakthrough into your life. Let's go right deep into it. But before then, please give this video a like so that YouTube algorithm will shift it to other people that need it. As to do so, may God bless you. Welcome back to this beautiful family. If this is the very first time you are finding this channel, you are highly welcome. Please kindly hit the red subscribe button and the bell notification so as to always get my next upload. For my returning subscribers, I love you so much. Thank you for stopping by. So without wasting time, let's dive in. Number 1 item you must remove is broken and useless items. Ecclesiastes 3:6 says, a time to keep and a time to throw away. Spiritually, broken items represent broken energy and blockages. The cracked mirror, leaking pot, or broken shoes you are still holding on to is symbolizing poverty. Money is a spirit. You cannot keep things that relates to poverty and you expect money to come in. It doesn't really work that way. Cleanse your space by letting go of whatever you no longer use. And by God's grace, new things that you deserve will come in. Imagine planting a seed in a soil full of stone. It won't grow until the stones are cleared. Same with money energy. Number 2, clutter and debt. Clutter and debt. 1 Corinthians 14:40 says, let all things be done decently and in order. Clutter is a spiritual confusion. Demons thrive in disorder. A dirty kitchen or piled up clothes is like spiritual pollution that blocks abundance. Do a cleansing, sweep your house physically and spiritually with salt water, mopping it as well as sprinkling it all around. Remove all removables like cobwebs and the money will always flow in. Because a clean space radiates high vibration, attracting high frequency wealth. Number 3, dead plants and withered flowers. John 15:2 says, every branch in me that does not bear fruit, he takes away. Dead plants represent financial death and stagnation. A dry flower pot in your living room is silently saying, no life, no money. Replace them with fresh herbs like basil, basil that represent wealth, rosemary that represent prosperity, saint leaf that represent favor, miracle leaf that help you attract all sorts of miracle, money plant that will also bring money, and so on and so forth. Number 4, items from toxic relationships. Isaiah 52:11 says, depart, depart, go out from Israel, touch no unclean thing. Holding on to gift from ex-lovers, friends or enemies keep their energy attached. Keeping a necklace from a toxic ex is like tying a spiritual cord around your finances. Burn, donate, or discard such items while declaring, I release every tie, I am open to new blessings. Number 5, occultic, idolatrous, or strange items. Acts 19:19 says, a number who had practiced sorcery brought their scrolls together and burned them publicly. Many people unknowingly keep objects tied to negative altars, strange marks, charms, or even jewelry. For example, a gifted ring or decorative idol that drains your finances. Some people draw idols even in their walls. They have calendars containing idols. You don't need it. Burn them. Anoint your home with olive oil. Always burn rosemary, bay leaf in your environment, declaring cleansing prayers. Number 6, expired or spoiled foods. Exodus 16:20 say, but some of them kept part of it until morning. It was full of maggot and began to smell. That was when God actually fed the children of Israel with manna. Expired food is equal to expired blessing. It blocks freshness and the wealth flow. So, my dear, a fridge full of rotten food is a financial cost magnet. Money thrives where there is freshness and life flows. Clean it out and watch favor enter your house. Last but not the least is poverty symbols. Because you have to know that spiritually you attract what you are, not what you want. Proverbs 23 verse 7 says, as a man thinketh in his heart, so he is. Objects that represent lack, empty containers, torn wallets, clacked piggy banks, carry poverty energy. A torn purse silently proclaims, I am not ready for wealth. Placed with a strong new wallet, preferable green meaning growth, or red meaning favor, or even brown. Put a scripture card like Psalm 23 verse 1 inside it. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Beloved, the moment you remove these 7 things from your house, you create spiritual space for money to flow. Just like a river cannot flow where there are blockages, wealth cannot stay where there are spiritual contaminations exist. Cleanse your home, raise your vibration, and declare daily, wealth and riches are in my house, for I serve the Lord of abundance, according to Psalm 112 verse 3. So, my dear, comment in the comment section, I serve the Lord of abundance and wealth and riches are always in my house. And you see wealth locating your house as you take responsibility of removing all these things from your house. If you have not subscribed to be part of this family, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe, hit the bell notification so to always get my next upload. Share this video widely to everyone. You might be helping lots of people. As you do so, may God bless you. So with this, I say enjoy your day. Awaken Mind Spirituality Global Academy is admitting new students. Awaken Your Spirit sponsor is so. Enroll in AMSGA now. Have you ever felt like your destiny was greater than your current reality? Do you hunger for spiritual clarity, divine power, and total life transformation? Then welcome to Awaken Mind Spirituality Global Academy, a 12-week apostolic and prophetic spiritual journey led by Pastor Mrs. Jennifer Shioma Shidozie. This is not just a course, it is a calling, it is your spiritual home. Thousands have already encountered prophetic reality, healing, marriage restoration, and destiny alignment through AMSGA. Yet another cohort is beginning. Don't come alone. Sponsor is so, be a destiny helper. WhatsApp us on +234 8067917535. Awaken, ascend, arise, join Awaken Mind Spirituality Global Academy, where heaven meets earth and purpose is born. Get more information from the community and the pinned comment of our videos. God bless you as you come on board.